Wendy. And this is my sidekick, Donna, with the Augusta Soul Sliders. I'm a little short-winded because of a sinus infection. So I'm going to do as much as I can, and then I'm going to hand it off to Donna. Okay? Real easy dance. You see that already. Okay, the first step is right, left. Rock right, left, cross, left, right, coaster, tap. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, cross, left, right, coaster, tap. Are we good? One more again. I got you. Right, left, cross, left, right, coaster, tap. Good? We're going to repeat the same thing again, but what's going to happen, and watch me just for a moment. Right, left, cross, left, right, turn. 3/4 turn. Okay? Some of you may want to call it quarter because you are here. But once you turn, you're going to be on this wall. Okay? So let's try the second part. Okay? So it's right, left, cross, left, right, left. So all you do is repeat that first part and second part at each walk. So let's try it, okay? At the beginning, part 1. If I'm going too fast, just say, hey. Okay? And if you notice, I do have A on the back, and also Soul Sliders of Augusta. And the reason for that is because Marquise actually started with Soul Sliders of Tampa. Okay? So A and Soul Sliders are like a team together, okay? One squad, same squad. Okay, from the beginning, right, left, you're gonna rock. 5, 6, 7, rock. Right, left, cross, left, right, coaster, tap. Right, left, cross, left, turn. And right, left, cross, left, right, coaster, tap. Right, left, cross, turn, left, right, repeat, right, left, right, coaster, tap, right, left, cross, left, right, turn, repeat, right, left, cross, left, right, coaster, tap, right, left, cross, left, right. That's all of part 1. So it's really part 1 and 2 together. Okay? Just go all complete around. So are we good on that part? What we're going to do before I get to the next part, I'm going to let Lady D give us some music and let's go over that part. Is that okay? Lady D? Five, 6, 7, rock. Right, left, cross, left, right, coaster, tap. Right, left, cross, left, right, turn. Right, left, cross, left, right, coaster, tap. Right, left, cross, left, turn. Right, left, cross, left, right, coaster, tap. Right, left, turn, repeat. Oh, right, left, right, coaster, tap. Right, left, turn. Good job. Good job. Okay, next part, you're going to rock it in. So rock, out and out. Okay? Rock right, left. Rock right, left, out and out with the right foot. Step and kick and turn around. But you're going to pivot around. We're going to do it again, okay? Rock right, left. Right, left, out, in, out. Step, in, kick, and turn around. Or you call it coaster step, okay? Again. Rock. Rock right, left, out, in, out. Coaster, kick, and turn around. And all you're going to do is bring the right foot back and roll. And roll left. Roll and roll. Okay? Let's do it again so you can see. Watch me real quick, okay? So rock, rock, out, in, out. Coaster, kick, and pivot. Bring it back right. Then bring it left back. Okay? So let's try it again. Rock, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock to right. Coaster, kick, and pivot, turn. Bring the right back and roll. And left back and roll. Then you're going to repeat what you just did to the back. Marquise, you got the back? Drea? Yeah, you can roll. When you're rolling, you can move back or you can stay in place. Okay? Okay, we're gonna, you ready? We're gonna do it from the back wall. 5, you're gonna rock. 5, 6, 7, rock. Rock, rock. Step in, kick, and pivot, turn. Bring the right back and roll. Watch out. Bring the left back and roll. Whole entire dance. No tags, no specials, no nothing. So let's try the front and the back wall on that third part, okay? Y'all ready? Rock 5, 6, 7, right, left, out, in, out. Step in, kick, and pivot, turn. Roll right, roll left. Rock again. Rock, rock, out and out. Step in, kick, and pivot, turn. Roll right, roll left. Hold it.
Do that part again, please.
I'll do it again. Front and back. Rock right, left. 5.
Y'all didn't get it.
5. We call Lady D the Soul Patrol. So if you don't have it, she gonna tell you.
I'm just saying.
So we're gonna rock right and left. 5, 6, 7, rock. Right, left, out and out. Coaster, kick, and pivot. Turn, bring it back right and roll. Bring it back left and roll. Rock again. Rock 2 out right. Coaster, kick, and pivot. Turn, roll right. Roll left. Hold it. Do I need to go over that part again or you good? Again? Sorry, one more time. On the beginning? Oh, okay, so y'all ready to do the dance?
Some of y'all got
Okay,
it.
so let's walk through it first.
Walk through part 1 and 2.
1 and 2, and then we'll do the...
And then y'all can dance it with the music twice. Go ahead.
From the beginning, y'all remember the beginning? Okay. We're going to walk right, left, cross, left, right, left, cross, left, right, left, cross, left, left, cross, left, left, cross, left, cross, left, turn, left, cross, left, coaster, left, third part, rock right, left, out, And turn around, roll right. Out, roll left. Right again. Right to right. Stop and kick and pivot, turn, roll right. Roll left. Hold in, y'all did so good.
Which way they supposed to be turning? They tell them which shoulder. Cause they turn. Some people turn it one way. Some people turn it the other way.
The soul control, so y'all turn the wrong way. So it's rock, out, step and kick, right shoulder. And then pull back and roll, pull back and roll. So it's right shoulder that you're gonna come on. Okay? Can we? Yes. Even on the second part, feel the right shoulder, okay, on that part. So can we try it with the music?